Erlyn, ano ba itong Shangri-La Dialogue na isinasagawa dyan sa Singapore?
Ella, taunang event ang International Institute for Strategic Studies Shangri-La Dialogue na isinasagawa dito sa Singapore. Dinadaluhan ito ng daan-daang delegado mula sa international security community. Makasaysayan ang event ngayong taon dahil ang mismong magbibigay ng keynote address sa Shangri-La Dialogue ay si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Ayon sa Pangulo, igigiit niya ang legal at political position ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea. Ginawa nito ang pahayag sa media interview bago tumulak papuntang Singapore mula sa 2-day visit sa Brunei kahapon.
The fact that they asked the Philippine president to come and speak on that very subject is significant in the sense that it is a recognition that there are challenges that are facing the Philippines specifically, and not only the Philippines, but this affects the region and it affects the world. So what I will present. What I will present in the Shangri-La Forum on the day after tomorrow is going to essentially try to explain the position of the Philippines both legally and geopolitically and diplomatically, and how we see the ways forward for the Philippines and for the region.
Dagdag pa ng Pangulo, napakahalaga ng West Philippine Sea sa international trade at hindi lang ito limitado sa Southeast Asia, Asia at Indo-Pacific kundi sa global economy. Ginagawa rin anya ng pamahalaan ng Pilipinas ang lahat ng paraan upang maresolba ang West Philippine Sea issues.
I've said it many times, you should try everything. You don't know what the effort is going to be successful. So as any point of contact that I can establish, I will use it. At every level, at the leaders level, at the ministerial, sub-ministerial, private. As long as it brings us progress in terms of resolving these. And first of all, number one, to stop the aggressive actions such as water cannoning and lasers and barrier putting, etc. And secondly, allowing our fishermen to fish. Let's start with that.
Kaugnay naman ng bantang sa West Philippine Sea para sa kanya, pagpapaumpati ni PBBM sa punong ehekutibo ng serye ng pagpupulong Lee Hsien-loong bukas ng alas 4 ng hapon. Makikipagpulong din ito kay Lithuania Prime Minister Ingrida Šimonytė. Ella?
Alright, maraming salamat, Erlyn Simon.